rush into the tube. If you rush into the tube, you're gone. We're gonna see his time first.
You ever do any swimming in cold water?
Lakes from Wisconsin are kind of cold.
Yeah.
It's not ice cold.
What do you think about Dave's time? 40 seconds.
That's pretty good. A little more than I thought.
The water was piercing when it hit me. Yeah, I was kind of like it's hard to breathe.
Yeah.
It's so not
Like
cold
that.
for me.
Beat that 40 seconds.
Ain't no
Yeah,
way.
stay in.
I told you.
All right, man. Good luck to you. Wait till I take off, right?
You think I should take the thing off now to show you?
Well, I just always think that you should prove yourself before you can talk your trash. If you have something to back it up with, great. But if you talk your mouth off and you don't back it up, you look like a fool.
I think he's gonna end up done. He won't be done.
He's too big. Look at him.
Here we go, Hollywood. Take a deep breath. Ready, set, go. Don't panic, Hollywood.
Oh, he's panicking. He's going over the tube. He went over the tube.
He did not take air in the first hole.
You did?
No.
This is what
Second hole. Oh my goodness.
Just quick breath in the second hole. Stretch out through it.
He's a lifeguard.
That might be 40.
I thought he was the same.
He's got air in the third.
Nice. Come on. Tick, 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 click.